I heard the news that Mr. Hank had passed away.
That's right. This morning the medical drone confirmed a death, making contract fulfillment impossible, and it is now preparing to return to headquarters.
Did you clean up your belongings and house?
I'm gonna proceed now. Mr. Hank doesn't have any other family, so I think he'll dispose of all the belongings.
I checked. Call me when you're done. I'll send you a vehicle.
Okay, see you soon.
Oh, it's often used many words to say a simple.
Mr. Hank always listened to this music around this time. Mr. Hank, pet bottles need to be collected separately.
Huh. If someone hears it, they'll think you're the owner. Hey Leo, clean this up too.
Mr. Hank, do the dishes all at once.
Leo, sweeten the coffee, it's too bitter.
Mr. Hank, sweets can raise your blood sugar levels.
Leo.